Hi guys, what is good, what is popping? Welcome back to a new vlog. You guys, I'm feeling very happy this morning. I don't even know why, but yeah, today is Tuesday, by the way. I'm starting the vlog on Tuesday because yesterday was crazy for me. So I had an assignment due. I had to rush off to go submit it in school. I had to go to the island to submit a document, and then I had to come back, then go back to Ozone Cinemas in Sabo because I needed to get my spectral net fixed because I cannot deal with Airtel. Like, I just cannot deal with Airtel. So that's how yesterday went, which is why like I couldn't vlog or show you guys how all of that went. It was very chaotic. So today is Tuesday. I have a test tomorrow. I also have an assignment due to. You guys know that test I've been saying I have tests. I've just been studying and studying. Like each time I study, like to the point where I feel like okay, I can actually write this test. They just say, oh, it has been moved, and it has been moved. So today, or this week rather, is the final week of lectures. Like after this week, we're not having classes anymore, nada. So the upper week is just the lecture free week, and then the following week is the exam week. So we start exam on the 5th, and I finish on the 21st. This mic is working though. Okay, yeah. Any other updates? Nothing. I just want to study today. I don't feel like going to the library, and I'm just going to be here. I'm going to shower now, get like prepared, get myself into it, and start studying. So that's all. I just came to open this vlog and give you guys the update for this week. I feel happy. And you guys, please subscribe to my channel. I feel like I don't even say that. I don't say this at all in my channel, and I don't even introduce myself. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Wendy. I am a final year student of the University of Lagos. I'm studying biology. So yeah, and the test I have tomorrow is an economic botany test where I have to become a herbalist because bruh, all I'm reading, like all we are supposed to know, everything is around plants. So I'm supposed to like look at a plant and know what it is, know the botanical name, know what it's used for, know the it's just crazy because how am I supposed to know every single plant? Well, see how that goes, right? I'm just going to try my best, do my hardest, and leave the rest, right? I'm just going to prep myself, and I'm trying not to be stressed, which is why I am trying to be bubbly. But like from the looks of things, I'm going to have to study really hard. It's already 5 minutes of talking and rambling. I know you guys are tired of hearing me talk, so I am going to stop talking now and shower, eat, and start studying. Okay? Alright, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share, and let's just get going. Let's start the vlog, okay? Hi guys, voiceover Wendy here. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick rundown on how I study, especially as a Unilag student. I feel like this is how you're supposed to be studying, right? So first, I think get your past question, get your slides, get your materials, make sure you have everything. in check. So for me personally, I like to write. I'm a writer. I do not know how to cram, so I have to write, understand what I'm writing, read through in between the lines, and then jot down important stuff that I feel like are significant. And then for each topic, I go through and pick up questions that are likely to come out for each exam. And then for each topic as well, I go through the past questions to see likely questions that can be asked on the course. So that's basically how I read, and that's how I retain knowledge. That's how I memorize. So I read, I memorize it, I write it down, and then it sticks like glue and it doesn't move. So yeah, let's just continue this vlog. You guys, I just finished writing. Oh my god, my head is hot. I cannot even, my head is very hot, very hot. But I'll be fine. Was it fine? It was somewhere in the middle, but thank god, regardless I did more than half. That's what matters. It wasn't what we expected. Everybody's complaining. They haven't even like given us slides for some stuff that they brought up. So yeah, how's highway? Oh, the sun is so nice here. Alright guys, bye. I'm tired. I need to go and eat. I haven't eaten today. And yeah. So pissed. Alright guys, bye. Hi. Hi baby, how was it?
Test.
Yeah.
It wasn't good. I don't like it.
You say like I don't like you, bro. With like eyes have not seen.
I shall know that I did more than 50.
Yeah.
Peace out.
Forever Michelle, forever. I know we're doing big girls, I'm actually right.
You guys, my test wasn't nice. I don't know how to even, I don't know. It wasn't as nice as I expected. Okay, at some point I was expecting theory, like I prefer to write. Tell me why I'm saying German questions. And like if you don't read in between the lines, you can know it. Bruh. All in all, I knew about like, let's just say 65 to 70% of the tests. The rest, and especially one particular topic that I didn't even bother reading. Like I didn't remember. Almost all the questions I didn't know were from that topic. So I just go back, I got food to make me happy, because school is not going to take my joy away. It won't. It can never. Even if you tried, you can never. I got lots of food. I got yam, fried yam with turkey, and I got donuts, and I got gizzard, and I got sausage. So I'm gonna eat and watch a nice movie. Yeah. So that's all the updates. Oh, you guys, I met a subscriber on my way back. By the way, it's 7-ish, like 7:07. I met a subscriber on my way back, and I was so happy. Like I feel like she's part of the reason why I am happier. It just makes me feel good. And like, okay, test went bad, but I have my life still, right? Bro. So this is what I will be having tonight. I'm very hungry, so yes, I'm going to finish everything. Don't ask me. I will finish everything. Yeah. All right, so I'm just going to watch a movie and call it a night. I've gone through a lot today, so I might as well just eat watch a movie, and sleep. Hi guys, so I came home for the weekend because bruh, I was so tired and exhausted and just tired of staying in the school and taking care of myself. So I went to my house, to my sister's house actually, which is my house still. And yeah, that's about that. That's the update. I'm just going to stay there and read what I can. I'll leave on Monday because I have to submit my dockets. So my docket is essentially my exam pass. I need to sign and submit it so that my course advisor, DVC, and one other person signs, and then you can laminate and use it for your exam. That's basically what's up. So yeah, and like they gave us more assignments, like extra chunks of assignments. One is to be submitted the day of our exam, the other one is just a lot.
Don't give them reason to stop us.
My sister does not have driver's license.
Get out. Get
out. Oh my god. Anywho, that's the update. Talk to you guys later.
Try the shoe straight.
Bye. Yeah, straight. Finally satisfying my cravings. This is so nice. So nice. So juicy and nice. Everybody, guess who's back from school, and guess what day it is? It is Michelle's birthday. It's Asuu is my own birthday. You don't understand. Anywho, we are going to, Oiza and I. Oiza, say hello.
Hi.
Oiza and I are going to her house with a cake we got for her. And yeah, you can go straight down.
No, sometimes they don't open that door.
The gate is always open though.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, always.
It's only by 6 or
7 days
o'clock.
So as I was saying,
Yes.
yeah, it is. Let me just show you guys the cake. It's chocolate and it looks so good.
And it's ice cream.
Yeah, ice cream cake from Cold
It's
Stone.
melting.
It's melting though, but it looks good. Let me show you guys.
I know, I can't wait to be devoured. Sweetie,
Oh, it's melting.
Yeah.
This is the second candle. Yeah, put on top. Yep. Where's the other two? So these are the M. Is this the? Yeah. Oh, it's so cute. Okay. Oh, my princess. Okay. I'm going to write this one. Yes, it is my birthday. Okay. All right. Light it up. Okay. Okay. All right. Make a wish. Make a wish. Okay. this vlog here. Thanks for having me. Thanks for coming to our party. We couldn't party properly because we have exams. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Stay safe, guys. Bye.